Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to our online class with Best English School. I hope you all are very well and enjoying our online class. So, today in 5th class we are going with English subject. So, everyone please take your textbook with you. In English, we are going to start our new lesson, Unit 4. In this lesson, first of all, we will see the poem. Its name is Crying. So, everyone please open that page and be ready for it. So, students, tell me the one thing that have you ever thought why and when the children cry? Have you ever thought? Or some of the children cry loudly and some of the children cry softly. तो आपने कभी सोचा है कि बच्चे ऐसे क्यों रोते हैं और बच्चे रोते ही क्यों हैं? सोचना कभी, ठीक है, कि why children cry. Now, second thing is, have you ever cried in happiness? And have you ever ended your cry in laughter? So, answer is yes. We cry in happiness also. यानी हम क्या करते हैं जब खुश होते हैं तब भी हम रोते हैं. अब now you will surprised that why we'll cry in happiness. So, let me tell you one example. जैसे कि आप कभी कोई कॉमेडी मूवी देखते हो तो उसमें इतना हंसी आती है कि हमारे आँख में से आंसू निकलने लगते हैं. होता है ना ऐसा कभी? तो हम क्या हुआ वो हंसी में भी रो रहे हैं. एम आई राइट? यस. सो वी क्राई इन हैप्पीनेस ऑल्सो. यू नो वाई वी क्राइंग? आपने सोचा है कि हम रोते क्यों हैं? रोने से हमें क्या मिलता है? So, we crying because after crying we feel relaxed. जब हम रो लेते हैं उसके बाद हमें क्या मिलता है? आराम मिलता है. क्या मिलता है? आराम मिलता है. इसीलिए हम क्या करते हैं? रो लेते हैं. सो आपने देखा होगा, छोटे हो या बड़े कोई भी हो, जब उसे कुछ दर्द होता है या कुछ पेन होता है तब वो रोता है. सो इट्स पोएम इज ऑल्सो अबाउट क्राइंग. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर पोएम. Students, you can see in this picture there is a one boy who is crying. This is the picture of the textbook. So everyone please open your textbook. Now we will read our poem. Let's start. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and slap, slap, slaps. Second stanza is, then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last tear. I wept it. Ha 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 ha. Who is the poet of this poem? Galway Kinnell. You can see here Galway Kinnell. Let's read again. This poem has no rhythm. Okay students, this poem has no rhythm. Let's read again. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and slap, slap, slaps. Then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. If people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last tear. I wept it. Ha ha. So this is our poem. चलो अब पहले हम क्या करते हैं, ये वर्ड्स हैं वो देख लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम इसको और डीपली अच्छे से समझेंगे. ठीक है? सो कम टू द फर्स्ट वर्ड, shocked. S-O-A-K-E-D. Shocked. Its meaning is completely wet. Second one is shower, shower, means bath in which water is spread from above. Last one is wept, shed tears and cried. So these three is a word meaning of the poem. This poem is too short, so its words are also less. Now come to the explanation of the poem. So students, first of all we will see about the poem and its poet. So there is a explanation. Crying is a poem written by Galway Kinnell. In this poem, the poet tells children not to cry a little. In fact, he asks the children to cry their heart out. Galway Kinnell was an American poet. So, पोएट क्या बोल रहे हैं बच्चों को, धीरे धीरे नहीं बट तुम इतना रो जोर से कि सबको सुनाई दे. और जो गैल्वे किनल है वो कहाँ के हैं, अमेरिकन पोएट. ही वॉज एन अमेरिकन पोएट. सो लेट्स रीड अगेन. क्राइंग इज अ पोएम रिटन बाय गैल्वे किनल. इन दिस poem the poets tell children not to cry a little. In fact, he asks the children to cry their heart out. So now come to this stanza 1. Crying only and end is slap slap slaps. So explanation is, in this stanza the poet tells the children that crying a little will not be helpful. In fact, he appeals the children to cry till their pillow is soaked, written in tears. He says so because after crying the children will feel content. He asks the children to jump in shower and take a bath to get happiness once their crying is done. आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. पोएट क्या बोलते हैं कि धीरे धीरे मत रो, इतना रो कि तुम्हारा पिल्लो गिला हो जाए. जब तुम रो लो उसके बाद क्या करना है, तुम्हें अच्छा लगेगा और फिर तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है, शावर लेने यानी कि नहाने के लिए. ठीक है. In second stanza you can see there is a second stanza. Then you can, and last line is I wept it, ha ha. Explanation is, here the poet suggested the children to open their window and laugh loudly, cheerfully. Their laughter will make people wonder and they will ask what's going on. But no one should pay attention to all this. And the poet suggests the children to tell everyone that their happiness was lying in the tear. This is the healing effect of crying. तो क्या होगा, जब आप रोने लगोगे उसके बाद एकदम से नहाने जाओगे तो आपसे सब बोलेंगे, आप विंडो ओपन कर दोगे कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है, तो आप हंस के क्या आंसर दोगे कि ये रोने की असर है, रोने का असर है. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट. सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू राइट दिस poem in your notebook and you have also write explanation. After it you will write the word meaning of the poem. जो मैंने 3 वर्ड मीनिंग कराए वो आपको लिखना है, पोएम भी लिखना है और जो एक्सप्लेनेशन कराया वो भी लिखना है. ये सब आप कहाँ लिखोगे, न्यू पेज पे. सो प्लीज़ राइट ऑन न्यू पेज. राइट डाउन टूडेज डेट एंड डे. आफ्टर इट यूनिट 4 एंड इट्स नेम पोएम क्राइंग. इतना लिखोगे. उसके बाद आपको पोएम लिखना है, वर्ड मीनिंग लिखना है, एक्सप्लेनेशन लिखना है. एंड प्लीज़ रीड पोएम 2 times loudly. There is also a one poem in your textbook. See it. We will read. Food for thought. यानी खाने का कभी सोचा है? Let's read. When you have something serious to think about, then you have food for thought. जब आपको कुछ सीरियस सोचना हो तो आप क्या सोचोगे? Food for thoughts. Here's some food for your thoughts. Tomatoes are red, beans are green, a brinjal has a crown just like a queen. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink, carrots have juice which I can drink. vegetables make me healthy and wise, so eat some daily with roti and rice. So this is a wonderful poem. आपको अच्छी लगी होगी. आप भी घर पे इसको अच्छे से रीड करना. किसके बारे में? फूड एंड वेजिटेबल्स. ओके. So students, now bye bye. Please do your homework daily and send it in group also. Okay. Stay home, stay safe, be happy and have a nice day.